Dodge has introduced a new Challenger Drag Pak race car at the SEMA Auto Show in Las Vegas. It's the latest in a line of factory-built modern Challengers that began with its 2008 debut and was designed to compete in several NHRA sportsman classes against the likes of the Ford Mustang Cobra Jet and Chevrolet COPO Camaro. This is limited to only 50 serialized units. This racer is certified as NHRA and NMCA ready. Dodge is not yet releasing the pricing details of or when you will be able to order the 2020 Mopar Dodge Challenger Drag Pak. The company is just now delivering the 2019 Mopar Dodge Drag Pak editions. The paint and graphics on the 2020 Mopar Dodge Challenger Drag Pak is meant to be modern with a retro flair. Also new for 2020, the Drag Pak hood mimics the design of the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat with intake and heat extractors. Front and rear fascias use the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat design. Torque News managing editor Patrick Rall has been tracking the unveiling of the new Mopar Dodge Challenger Drag Pak for weeks and sent us this walk around from SEMA. Many people don't understand why they made this car instead of another road car. What do you think? Let us know your opinions in the comments below and subscribe to Torque News. And also look for our next upcoming story at torquenews.com, where Patrick Rall will explain why Dodge made this car instead of a new road car. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video.